try to stand over here, get away from this freaking thing. I mean, she's moving, boys. Ooh, landed it. CG might be really off. And I flipped it.
Flip over.
She's a little violent at full trigger, boys. You gotta be super careful, these concrete curbs. I think that GPS sitting in the back is not helping it very much. So it's kind of jumping. Yeah, let's bring her back in. We'll check temps in a second. And then we'll check the GPS. All right. We're trying to break 53. That we don't know if we did or don't know if we didn't. The GPS got wet and it didn't work. So we'll try it again another time. But this ran pretty violently with this rocket motor on 3S. Need to tune it down a little bit, maybe prop down, maybe a little bit of less pitch on the prop. We'll see. We'll do some tuning. We'll do some testing with this setup. We got the Sidewinder Castle ESC mod, Rocket 2958 with 3,380 kV. Running a 3414 TFL prop. She ran good. With that said, I got a doubleheader today, so I got to get going and prep for my games, and I will catch you guys a little later.